How would you like to create complete Notion pages with the click of a button? Instead of rebuilding the same layouts over and over, you can save any structure as a template, then recreate it instantly whenever you need it. Hi, I'm Tom from X-Ray Tech, the workflow company. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create templates in Notion: template buttons, database templates, and public templates. Each one works better for different situations, and they're all pretty straightforward once you know where to find them. Let's get started and learn how to use each one. First, let's take a look at template buttons. Buttons let you add pre-formatted content blocks to a page whenever you click on them. You might want to try this for something like a running meeting notes doc, where you add new notes each week. You can also configure your buttons to perform other actions, like creating or editing pages, or even sending a webhook to launch an automation. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a tutorial covering these other button features too. But for now, let's focus on creating content with a button. Open the page where you want to add your button. I'll use this marketing meeting notes page. Click anywhere on the page and hit the / to bring up the list of Notion blocks. Search for button and select it once it comes up. Give your button a name. I'll call mine New Meeting Notes. Here, you'll see a little flowchart. When the button is clicked, do these things. Click on New Action to give your button something to do. As I mentioned earlier, there are several options here, but for now, we're just going to go with Insert Blocks. Now you can add blocks to this little window, just like you would anywhere else in Notion. When you hit /, you'll see the full menu of available blocks, like headers, bar charts, AI, and a lot more. I put together a quick, simple layout with some headings, some bulleted lists, and a divider. I'll also throw in an AI block so we can run prompts based on whatever notes we write here. Before finishing up, you can choose whether the blocks will appear above or below the button with this dropdown. I'll stick with below. If the content appeared above the button every time, the button would quickly get buried under all the notes. Once you're all set, click on Done. You'll see the button added to your page. Give it a click, and all your pre-configured content appears. And you can freely edit all of the content that it creates too. You can also click on the gear to edit the button itself if you want to change its configuration. Anytime you want to access the button, you can just open up the page you've added it to. You can also add your button to a synced block and copy the synced block into any page you'd like. However, any content created with the button will be added to all instances of the synced block, so you'll see the exact same content on every page it's used in. If you'd like to make your buttons available on several pages where they can each create unique content, I've got a solution for that in the next section. Let's explore making page templates within a database. With page templates, you can configure blocks that will populate the page content for each new database item, as well as the database item's other properties. To start, open up the database where you want to add your template. I'll use this blogs database. Click on the little arrow next to New and select New Template. This will open up a blank page that you can configure with any content you want to include in your template. I'll change the title to New Blog Post instead of New Page. And I'll also set the author to be the person who made a copy of the template. I'll just leave the rest of these properties blank so we can fill them in manually whenever we're making a new blog post. Down in the page content section, we can once again set up any blocks we want, even buttons. So I'll make a simple outline, including an intro and a conclusion. But in the middle here, I don't know how many main ideas I want to add for any given blog post. This isn't like writing an expository essay in middle school. It's not always going to be 3 body paragraphs. So I'll add a button that lets me add as many main idea sections to the outline as I want. Once your template page is all set, just click anywhere outside the template window to close it. Now, click on the arrow next to New again. Your template will appear in the list. Select it to create a new page in the database that uses the template. Here, I've got a new page pre-filled with the outline I already set up. And I can just click on the New Main Idea button to generate as many new main ideas as I need. And note that this will not work like a synced content block. Each time you create a new page in the database using your template, it will start fresh with a blank template. You can make unique edits and additions to each page without affecting the others and without changing the original template. If you'd like, you can also create additional templates within the same database if you'd like to have some options to choose from. Note that just like buttons live on a specific page, database templates are confined to the database that you created them in, so make sure to create them where you want to use them. Before we jump into the final part of this video, I want to let all you Notion builders out there know about lowcodeengineers.com. Low Code Engineers is a service managed by X-Ray that connects builders and entrepreneurs with vetted low-code experts for rapid support. If you need some help setting up Zapier or Make automations in your Notion workspace, or need to configure some more complicated databases, our engineers can help you with your project on a convenient hourly basis. Just go to lowcodeengineers.com today to learn more and book your first collaborative hour. Finally, let's go over sharing a page publicly, so it can be accessed and copied by your colleagues, collaborators, or customers. I won't be going into the whole process of selling a template to the marketplace, but this would be the first step if that's something you're interested in. If you'd like to see a full tutorial about listing your Notion template in the marketplace, just give me a heads up in the comments. To share a Notion page as a public template for anyone to copy, open the page you want to share. Click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner. Select the Publish tab, then click on Publish. Your Notion page will immediately be accessible as a site at the URL listed up here. You've got a few options here. If you're on a premium plan, you can adjust the styling to change things, like displaying the site in dark mode or adding a custom favicon. You can choose whether or not to have the site indexed by search engines, in case you want people to be able to find it through a Google search. And you can toggle on or off the ability for viewers to duplicate the page as a template. You can click on View Site to see what the published page looks like, but there's no surprise here, it's very similar to a normal page in Notion. To share the template with anyone, just copy the live URL here. By default, it will just be a string of random words, but Plus users and higher can set custom domains. One important thing to note, if any block on your page references a private database, then those elements won't be visible on your public template. You'll need to make sure those databases are visible to anyone with the link in order to have them appear on your public template, which might not be ideal. In most cases, you'll want to use inline databases on shared template pages to keep things simple. If you'd like to make some money off your Notion designs, creating a template like this is the first step in the process. You can follow Notion's extensive documentation to learn more about getting set up in Stripe and more. And as I noted earlier, we just might make a tutorial about that soon. Notion is an excellent tool for creating custom pages with all sorts of rich content, but once you've got the layout you like, it's much easier to use a template than to repeat the same setup over and over again. With buttons, database templates, and public templates, Notion makes it easy to repurpose and share your designs however you'd like. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more automation and AI updates every single week. You can also find me and my company X-Ray by searching for X-Ray Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.